Hello, good morning. Today we would discuss short question of the play The Merchant of Venice, written by William Shakespeare. You have first question. Who is Antonio? Antonio is a rich merchant of Venice, and after that you have Salanio and Salarino are Antonio's close friend. In Act First, Scene 1, Antonio admits that he is sad, yet he can't advance any reason for it. His friend suggests that he might be worried about the safety of his ship. But he says he is sad by nature. Next, you have Bassanio, is a young and handsome gallant of Venice. Gracinio is an intimate friend of Bassanio. Bassanio falls in love with Portia, a rich lady of Belmont. He wants to marry her. Another character you have Shylock. Shylock is a powerful character in the play, though he is mean and heartless. Yet there is sound reason for his hatred to the Christian. His Christian antagonists are equally heartless. The noble Antonio has been abused him in public. He spits upon his Jewish garments. He kicks him with his foot as he were a cur. And Shylock bears all this with patience. In fact, Shylock is more sinned against than sinning. Bassanio come to Shylock for a loan of 3,000 ducats. You can read this question also. Shylock, who is a Jew, a notorious moneylender. Portia is the heroine of the play. She is a perfect woman. She has inner nobility, intellectual ability, and physical beauty. The fame of her beauty has spread far and wide. She is cultured, refined, young, and beautiful. She is rich and not proud at all. She is also self effacing. She is in every way a good woman. Who is Nerissa? Nerissa is not merely a maidservant of Portia. She has the position of a personal attendant in the household of Portia. Portia's dead father will denied her the right to choose her own husband. According to the will, her father had advised a test for her suitors. So there were three caskets left by Portia's father: gold, silver, and lead. One of these caskets had Portia's portrait hidden in it. According to the will, every suitor would have to choose the casket containing Portia's portrait, and who would choose the right casket would marry Portia. Prince of Morocco is the first suitor of Portia. The Prince of Morocco is one of those suitors who come to Belmont to seek the hand of Portia. What is there in the casket? If one of those three caskets there is portrait of Portia, you can read this question also. Second, who is Prince of Aragon? Prince Aragon is one of the suitors who come to Belmont to seek the hand of Portia. He comes up from Spain. He rejects the lead casket as he is not prepared to risk anything for such a base metal. And you can read Jessica. Jessica is the only daughter of Shylock. She has a charming personality. She is vain and frivolous. The way in which she squanders her father's money, and she elopes with her lover also, Lorenzo. Lorenzo is a typical Italian lover. He is a Christian by faith. He is in love with Shylock's daughter Jessica. And you can read Jessica elopement and Shylock reaction to Jessica's elopement. Shylock is mad with rage when he comes to know that his daughter has eloped with a Christian. and you can read Portia and Nerissa appeared in the court under the male disguise, because in those days women uh, women were not allowed in the courtroom. Portia wanted to save the life of her husband's friend Antonio, and so they had no other option but to go to the court room in male disguise. Antonio is full of milk of human kindness for all. Antonio is a good character in this play also. I think you can read all these questions. Thank you.